Okay, question 1. Find the cofactor matrix of the following matrix. First matrix is A, it's 1, 2, 3, 2. Okay, the cofactor matrix of A, okay, first thing, it's also a matrix. And second thing, it always has the same size as A. So you should also expect a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, and let's call this cofactor matrix C. This matrix C, it should be C11, C12, C21, C22. Okay, and what are the values of these entries? So here's the general formula, Cij. I means the ith row, J means the jth column. This first part is -1 to the power of I plus j. So this part is either -1 or +1 times the determinant of the matrix A after you have deleted the ith row of A and the jth column of A. Okay, what does this mean? We will see in the example. Okay, for example here, Cij. So here we have 4 entries. Let's do it one by one. C11 is negative, I is 1, j is 1, times the determinant of A after you delete the ith row. Now I is 1, so you need to delete the first row, and then j is 1, so you need to delete the first row and first column. So the remaining part is just 2. Okay, here it's just a number, but you can also treat a number as a 1 by 1 matrix. So the determinant of a 1 by 1 matrix is just the value itself. So it's 1 times 2. It's 2. Okay, for the other 3 entries, you do the same thing. C12, it's -1 to the power of 1 plus 2 times the determinant of, after you delete, now I is 1, so first row, and j is 2, so the second column. So the remaining number is 3, which is -1 times, okay, determinant of 3 is 3, so this part is -3. Okay, C21, same thing, -1 to the power of I plus j times the determinant of the matrix after you've deleted the second row and first column. So here is a determinant of 2, so it's -1 times 2, it's -2. And the last entry, C22, is -1 to the power of 2 plus 2 times, now you delete the second row, second column, so here's 1, right? The determinant of 1, so it's 1 times 1, it is 1. Okay, put everything together, it is a cofactor matrix of A. It is 2, -3, -2, 1. All right, so part B. Part B is a little bit more complicated. Now the matrix is a 3 by 3 matrix. 1, 5, 0, first row, -2, -3, 2, 1. It's the second row, 1, 2, 1. It's the third row. So same thing, your cofactor matrix should be a 3 by 3 matrix. Should be a 3 by 3 matrix. And now we have 9 entries, right? We need to calculate each by one, and then we'll get the cofactor matrix. So again, C11, it's -1 to the power of I plus j times the determinant of A after you've deleted the first row and the first column, because now I is 1, j is 1. Okay, j is 1, I is 1 in this case. So you have this square of numbers left. Okay, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, and in case you've forgotten the determinant, right? The determinant, let me write it down here. The determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. So you can either write in this way, the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, or you can write in this way, okay? It's just these two means the same thing. They both mean the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. And it's very easy. It's these diagonals product, okay, AD minus these diagonals product. So it's AD minus BC. All right, so here it's -1 times here AD is 2 times 1 minus BC, it's 1 times 2. Okay, so this part is 0, so the product is 0. That's how you get C11. Okay, C12, let's say it's -1 to the power of 1 plus 2 times, now C12, so delete the first row, delete the second column. Okay, so you have this square of matrix left, -3, 1, -1, 1. So -3, 1. Sorry, here it's just 1, 1. Okay. Right, wait, here is a typo, right? -1 to the power of 2, it is 1. Okay, it's not -1. But here it's -1 to the power of 3, it's -1 times, here the determinant is this product minus this product. So it's -3 times 1 minus 1 times 1. Okay, I should use this. Okay, this part is what? This part is -4. This part is -1. So the product is 4. Okay, so we won't do all 9 here. Let's just do another random one. So let's say C32. Okay, the C32 is -1 to the power of 3 plus 2 times the determinant. So now it's 3, 2. So you delete the third row, you delete the second column. So it's 1, 0, -3, 1. It's 1, 0, -3, 1. And the first part is -1. The second part is this product minus this product. So it's 1 times 1 minus 0 times -3. Okay, so this part is 1. Okay, this part is -1. So the product is -1. Okay, so you do the same thing for all 9 different entries. Here, I just give you an example of 3. So you should do the rest of them, right? What is C13? What is C21, C22, C23, right? C31, C32, we've already done here, so C33. So you have to do the rest of them, and if your calculation is correct, right, you've got all 9 of them, and then just have to put them in the correct positions. Okay, 0, 4, and here we get is C32 is -1, and the rest of them, it's -8 here, -5, 1, 3, 5, 17. So this is the cofactor matrix of A. Okay. So a quick summary, a cofactor matrix has always the same size as the matrix, original matrix, and for each entry, it follows this formula. Okay.